Hello everybody, once again welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn a very important thing. The topic is how to install different free themes in WordPress and how to install different plugins in WordPress and what are the themes and WordPress and plugin differences. Okay, so let's get started. In the previous lecture we created this website, so today we are going to install some themes and plugins here. Before that, what is theme? A theme, especially for WordPress, a theme is a collection of different style sheets or templates, how the WordPress website will look. So this can be called as the appearance and display. Okay, and on the other hand, what is plugin? Plugin is a software that containing different group of functionalities that can be added to WordPress. So this is the difference between themes and plugins, and we already know what is themes and plugins. So now we will get to know how to install very easily some themes, especially premium and also free themes. Okay, so first of all we would like to install themes. So before installing, you need to come to themes option, and here we can see that there are 4 default themes in WordPress, and already we are using 2020 themes as active theme here. And now if we want to add any new theme, just you need to click in add new theme. Then if you want to add from WordPress free themes, just search your desired theme, such as I would like to install some newspaper theme. Just write here newspaper. When I write here newspaper, then I can see that there are a lot of themes available here. You can choose any theme from here. And if you want to choose any business theme, just write business. Well, we can see there are a lot of business themes here. Such as we would like to install this theme, just click here and just install. After installation, just you need to activate. Well, we can see that this theme is now installed and activated in our WordPress. So just click from here to see how it looks. Well, so before it was like this simple, but after installing this business theme, we can see that it's looking beautiful and more than beautiful than ever. Okay, then let's see about the plugins, how we can install different plugins. Just click in the plugins options and see how many installed plugins are available here. We can see Akismet, Anti-Spam and Hello Dolly plugin installed. So if we want to install more plugins, just click to add new, and from here if you want to install any plugin, just write here, such as I would like to install one SEO plugin. Just write Yoast SEO plugin, Yoast SEO plugin. Well, we can see here Yoast SEO plugin. Just install now, and like the theme, you need to install it, and after that you need to activate it. Okay, it will take most probably more 10 seconds to install. Already installed. Then after installation, just activate it. Well, if you need any themes and plugins in this way, how I have shown, you can very easily install and get free themes, and you can very easily install in your WordPress. That's all about today. If you like this video, please feel free to share and comment, and also don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.